Hi, I'm Chef D, and today it's all about Bothwell cheese. Won't you join me for this simple, easy recipe? So today we're going to make a cheese and meat turnover, which is absolutely fantastic. We're going to use some pizza dough. Now, if you don't make your own pizza dough, that's fine. You can buy it from any grocery store or your favorite bakery, and just put a little bit of flour on your counter. I'm just going to roll our dough out, both sides, and then we're going to take our rolling pin, roll it out. Now, you can go as thin or as thick as you like. We're going to go a little bit thinner until we're about 1/4 inch, maybe a centimeter, and then we're going to take the Barkin herb garlic sunny dog cheese. Absolutely fantastic, lots of great flavor to this cheese. So we're going to add in our Barkin garlic and herb sunny dog, lots of cheese in here. And then I have a mix of diced ham and chorizo, and we're going to put that into our mixture. And now we're just going to press it down, and then we're just going to roll it. Now I'm just going to take my sides and just kind of turn them in, and then roll our dough nice and tight. And there we have it. We're going to take a parchment lined baking sheet, take a little bit of butter. Now I just melted just a touch of butter. And then we're going to take some more of our shredded Barkin herb and garlic sunny dog cheese from our good friends at Bothwell. I preheated my oven to 350 degrees. It's a convection oven, so we're going to have some great heat with it. It's been 25 minutes, and what we've done, just to show you, is that the cheese and the prosciutto have melted beautifully on top. Now, I have chef hands, so I'm just take this, put it on our board. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm just going to cut into this. The sunny dog Barkin herb and garlic cheese rolled into some great deli meats. It's a fantastic turnover. For this recipe and many more videos, go to bothwellcheese.com.